offers you an experience of a lifetime that no other university does. Not in just Karachi but Pakistan as a whole.
I absolutely adore the community at Habib. When I was in my freshman year, we were like air-bombed into the forum. The seniors, the juniors, the sophomores, they were all welcoming us like on this thread.
There's a diverse community here. You know, you have so many people of different faiths, classes, of different interests. Just the whole different personalities as well. Like the friends that I have, we're so different from each other in the sense that we have certain capabilities that we have, we're good at certain things, and we sort of complete each other in that sense.
They did help us in many ways, especially because of the diverse culture in Habib. Even when I tell my parents that, you know, we're celebrating Diwali or Holi on campus, so they're like, oh, they're going to celebrate that. I'm like, yeah, it's very culturally rich. So that is something I would miss a lot about Habib.
I've been able to come out of that comfort zone to build a family, not just out of friends, but out of faculty members, where I can go into their office and open their candy ke jars and just eat and come out.
Ever since I got into Habib, my motto was to take it step by step and one at a time. Where I am now, I'm quite proud of how much I've achieved and how much I've struggled to get here.
मेरा stage fear बहुत यहाँ पे आके ख़त्म हुआ है. I always loved dancing. I always used to dance. But यहाँ पर आके I experimented with my performances and I learned a lot in the process. Personally, I grew a lot.
One of the things will stand out to me as I leave Habib is the bonds that I've built with the diverse members of this community. I always had this opportunity jahan pe after classes I would be teaching the TCD staff or engaged with Wujood in some way or the other. The impact that we got to make on the lives of some of those TCD staff is something jo ke I will hold valuable to my heart.
There's so many things I'm going to remember. Seeing my friends put on their gowns right here for the testing. I'm going to remember cheering for my friends when they went to receive their Dean's List and Honours List awards. There's a lot of things that just involves being there for the people I love at Habib.
There are like so many memories with my friends. I feel like every semester koi nayi jagah pick karte hain hum and we spend all our time there. And every place is associated with like a specific time of my undergrad, and I think that's amazing.
One of the main challenges that I was hit right after I joined Habib was the complete shift to online classes because of the whole COVID situation.
It was hard because when classes first shifted to online, I was obsessed with university. It was like my happy place. So that happy place being shut down to me was really hard to cope with.
कोविड ऑनलाइन क्लास में शुरू में मुश्किलात हुई, लेकिन जब कैंपस दोबारा से ओपन हुआ तो एक लाइवली माहौल हमें मिला और इट फेल्ट मोर लाइक अ होम और बहुत खुशी हुई कैंपस ओपन होने में.
I'm very grateful and I'm proud of myself for being here today, but at the same time it's a very bittersweet moment.
Pretty nervous. 4 years when I first got here, I was like, oh, wow, graduation. मैं अपने seniors को देखती थी. Now I feel like, oh God, the graduation, because now we have to find jobs and things. Real life, adult life, kind of it hits you in the face. So I'm nervous, also excited. Finally get to wear my gown.
I want to give a shout out to every woman in my batch. Literally every woman in my batch.
I want to give a shout out to the entire faculty of AHSS and DSSE for their constant support and motivation in our 4 years journey at Habib University.
The biggest shout out that I could ever give to anyone in Habib is the HU Mohsinins, who made it possible for me to get this world-class education at an institute like Habib, because without their consistent support to institutions like Habib, this wouldn't have been possible.
I'm very grateful to Habib for whatever it has given me and how far it has brought me. Thank you so much for making this an absolutely beautiful journey of my life. Thank you so much.